was really our link to the first Rio Earth Summit 20 years ago, and our bridge to the next Earth Summit is Carlos Nobre from the Brazilian Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, a commissioner there deeply involved in Rio Plus 20. Carlos, please address a few words to us. We would be honored.
Thank you. Let me say initially how grateful I am for being invited to address briefly you on this final session, the closing ceremony of this splendid conference. This is really a landmark meeting on the trail of also very successful global change conference, Amsterdam 2001, Beijing 2006, but of course this one went much beyond what those two conferences reached. I'm here just to say a few words on the critical importance of this conference results outcome, the declaration, to the Rio Plus 20 Earth Summit coming up very soon in 3 months' time. Brazil is very proud to host Rio Plus 20 for many reasons, but also because in Rio 92, I think my country was very brave to host it, because certainly in 1992, Brazil's development path was completely unsustainable. 20 years later, I think what I can say is that Brazil has taken sustainable development paradigm as a central element of its policy, government policy, but also this is widely shared by the population. I think Brazilian population is one of the people of the world who really values the dream of sustainable development. So I think we are very proud in Brazil to be able to host this very important conference. I think it's a once-in-a-generation opportunity in Rio to bring science, technology, and innovation to bear on sustainable development policies at a global scale, and this is of utmost importance. I read the declaration. It's very powerful. I think it will make a difference. It will reach the people who should make decisions based on this declaration, perhaps as importantly as the Amsterdam 2001 declaration was for the advancement of global change science. This declaration will go much beyond and has laid out, I think, most of the science foundations for the Rio Plus 20. Another very important difference one has to realize comparing Rio 92 and Rio Plus 20 is the scale and importance that science is for global decisions. Science was not very highlighted in Rio 92. I was there. I think many of you were there. But this time, science is one of the central themes, and there will be a lot of meetings, scientific activities, including one very important organized by IGSU and Brazilian government on science, technology, and innovation for sustainable development, which draws completely from the results of this conference. So finally, I just want to say, on behalf of the host country, Brazil, let me reiterate the invitation for every one of you and all of you to come to Rio in June to help building a strong case, a strong bridge between science and policy. It's not only to deliver this beautiful, strong declaration to global decision makers, chiefs of state who will be in Rio. Your presence is key. We hope to see most of you in Rio in 3 months' time. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Carlos, and thank you for the invitation.